Hi students, this is Kiran Kumar, Maths faculty. Today I am going to teach the wavy curve method. We'll take one example. With example I'll explain it. First, x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x plus 3 into x minus 4 is greater than 0. Find the x values for which this total expression is always greater than 0. This is the question. So how to solve this? In this, mainly we'll consider 2 points. First one is vanishing point, second one is discontinuous point. Which points are called vanishing points? Which points are called discontinuous points? Points which are in the numerator, those are called vanishing points. Means where the numerator, for which values of x, the numerator becomes 0, those x values are called vanishing points. Here, x minus 1 becomes 0 when x equal to 1. X minus 2 becomes 0 when x equal to 2. So the vanishing points are x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So 1 and 2 are the vanishing points. Next, discontinuous points. Which are the discontinuous points? Here, when denominator becomes 0, those points are called discontinuous points. What are the denominator points here? X plus 3 becomes 0 at x equal to minus 3. X minus 4 becomes 0 at x equal to 4. So that's why discontinuous points are minus 3 and 4. We'll place all these points on a real line. Let us take a real line which is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Now place all these points in ascending order: minus 3, 1, 2, 4, and so on till plus infinity. Now from the right side of 4, see here how many portions. This total line is divided into how many portions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts in this total line. Each part contains some sign, whether positive sign or a negative sign. More than 4, whether it is this portion is positive portion or negative portion, how to check? More than 4 must be always positive, means the most right side one is always starts by plus. Otherwise we can check it also. Now substitute any point more than 4. For example, 5 is there more than 4. Substitute 5 in this expression. 5 minus 1 is positive. 5 minus 2 is 3 positive. 5 plus 3 is 8 positive. 5 minus 4 is 1 positive. Positive into positive is positive. Positive by positive is also positive. So the total expression is becoming positive. That's why if you substitute any point more than 4 from from this region into this expression will become always positive. That's why this region is called positive region. Now change the signs alternatively from this portion to this portion. When you are coming from this portion to this portion, plus becomes in this minus. Now in this minus becomes plus. Now in this plus becomes minus. Next minus becomes plus. Positive portion, negative portion, positive portion, negative portion, positive portion. So alternative sign changes are there. From the question, we need those x values where this total expression will become positive. Means we need only the positive regions. So what are the positive regions? This is the positive region. 1 to 2, this is also a positive region. And 4 to infinity, this is also a positive region. So we'll write all these regions together with union. X belongs to from minus infinity to minus 3. Union means adding this interval with another interval. We can write with union 1 to 2, union 4 to infinity. This is the interval in which the given expression is always greater than 0. So this is the answer for it. Next, we'll go for second question. Let us take this as first one. Second question. I will give one more example. X plus 1 into x plus 3 by x into x minus 5 is less than 0 for this. Now we can see what are the vanishing points in it. What are the discontinuous points? What are the vanishing points? When numerator becomes 0, for which values of x numerator becomes 0, those x values are called vanishing points. X plus 1 becomes 0 at x equal to minus 1. x plus 3 becomes 0 at x equal to minus 3. What are the discontinuous points? Where the denominator becomes 0, those points are called discontinuous points. What are the discontinuous points? Denominator x, where x becomes 0 at x equal to 0, 0. Where x minus 5 becomes 0 at x equal to 5. So 0 comma 5 are the discontinuous. Now place all these vanishing points and discontinuous points on a real line. Now let us take a real line from minus infinity to plus infinity. Place the numbers in ascending order: minus 3, minus 1, 0, 5. Now these four numbers divided the real line into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Now each part should be having some sign. So what is that sign? Whether it is positive or negative, we have to check. We'll start from the right side, more than 5. Now let us take any point more than 5, which is 6. Substitute 6 here. 6 plus 1 is 7, positive. 6 plus 3 is 9, positive. 6 is positive. 6 minus 5 is 1, which is also positive. So product and division of all the positive is always what? Positive. Means rightmost more than 5 for this portion, all the values can give the expression value as positive. If this is positive, now this region must be what? Negative. Alternative sign change. Alternative sign change. If this is negative, then this portion is what? Positive. This portion is negative. Then this portion is positive. Now in this question, we need which portion? We need only the negative portion. Less than 0 means we need what? Those x values for which this expression is always less than 0 means this expression must be always negative. For which values of x the expression is negative means we need only the negative region. What are the negative regions? Minus 3 to minus 1, 0 to 5. Means x belongs to minus 3 comma minus 1 union 0 comma 5 is the region for which values of x the expression can become always negative. Now in these two questions I have used only the open brackets. You know the meaning of open and closed brackets. Open bracket means what? I am excluding number 1 and number 2. I am excluding number minus 3, excluding number 4 also. Means in this answer I am not going to include 1, 2, 4 and minus 3. So that's why I have used here open brackets. Why I should not use, why I should not include these numbers? Let us see. For example, substitute 4 inside this expression. 4 minus 1, no problem. 4 minus 2 is 2, no problem. 4 plus 3 is 7, no problem. But 4 minus 4 is 0. When denominator becomes 0, it becomes undefined. You can't say whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. The expression value became undefined. But we need the real values of this which are greater than 0. Greater than 0 means the values must be real first of all. But when you substitute x equal to 4, the expression becomes undefined. That's why it is the 4 x equal to 4 is not a correct answer. Now let us see x equal to 2 also. Whether should I include 2 or not? Substitute 2 inside this. X minus 2 is how much? 0. X minus 1 is 1. X plus 3 is means 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Positive, negative, positive, but it is 0. 0 by something is what? 0. Is 0 greater than 0? Wrong. That's why we should not include even 2 also. Similarly, 1 and minus 3. That's why for these values I have used open bracket. Then where I have to use the closed bracket? Let us go for one more example. Now if the question is x plus 1 into x minus 7 into x plus 3 by x minus 5 into x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Now what is the difference between this question and previous two questions? That is strictly greater than or strictly less than 0. But here it includes greater than or equal to 0 also. Now similarly, same whatever we did for last two questions, here also we'll point out what are the vanishing points and what are the discontinuous points. Vanishing point means where the numerator becomes 0. For which values of x the numerator becomes 0. At x equal to minus 1, it becomes 0. At x equal to 7, it becomes 0. At x equal to minus 3, the numerator becomes 0. Those are vanishing points. What are the discontinuous points? At x equal to 5, x minus 5 becomes 0. At x equal to minus 6, x plus 6 becomes 0. That's why minus 6 is a discontinuous point. Similarly, we'll take a real line from minus infinity to plus infinity. Whatever the points, vanishing and discontinuous points are there, we'll keep all these points on the real line in ascending order. We'll start with minus 6, then minus 3, then minus 1, then 5, then 7. See, all are correct now? Minus 6, minus 3, minus 1, 5 and 7. Yes, this is the ascending order. Now these 5 points divide the total line, real line into 6 parts. 5 points divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. We know already the uppermost the region is always positive. Alternative sign negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Now we need greater than or equal to 0. Means positive region. Means non-negative region we need. So here what is the non-negative region? Which is a positive region. Here this is positive. This region is positive. This region is positive. X belongs to minus 6 comma minus 3 union minus 1 comma 5 union 7 comma infinity. This is the region of X where this expression is always greater than 0. But we have here greater than or equal to 0 also. Equal to 0 also. Means we need to include some points where the expression can become 0. Though at those points we have to write the closed bracket. But I have written everywhere open bracket. Means I haven't included all those points. Now see where the expression can become 0. At vanishing points the expression means the numerator can become 0. If numerator is 0 then total expression will be 0. So where the expression can become 0 means at vanishing points the expression can become 0. Means vanishing points we have to include inside the answer. What are the vanishing points? Minus 1, minus 3, 7. At these points we have to use the closed bracket. So minus 3 closed bracket including minus 3. Minus 1 also closed bracket. I need to include minus 1. 7 also closed bracket. Means including 7. Understood? So this is the. Let us take one more example. X into x minus 1 into x plus 3 by x square minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Here I gave all the factors only, linear equations, linear expressions I gave, but here it is a quadratic one, which can be convertible into linear. How? We can write this as x into x minus 1 into x plus 3 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 less than or equal to. I have rewritten the question. Instead of this x square minus 4, I wrote x minus 2 into x plus 2, a square minus b square formula. Now this is exactly in that way which we need. So we need always the factors one, we got linear factors only here. So for this we can do the procedure. What is the procedure? First of all, write all the vanishing points. What are the vanishing points where numerator can become 0? Where numerator can become 0 at x equal to 0? 1, minus 3. What are the discontinuous points? 2, minus. Next is what? Take a real line, place all these vanishing and discontinuous points in ascending order. First we start with minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. First region was 2. Alternative sign change. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. We need which region? Less than or equal to 0. Negative region means non-positive region. Means negative region. This region. Minus, minus and minus. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union minus 2 to 0 union 1 comma 2. Here also I wrote all the open intervals. But here less than or equal to 0 is there. Equal to symbol is also there. Means I need to include vanishing points inside the answer. What are the vanishing points? 0, 1, minus 3. So at minus 3, closed bracket. At 0 also, closed bracket. At 1 also, closed bracket. So this is the answer where this total expression can be less than or equal to 0. So not only these, even the questions may be having some squares with some powers, x square, x power 10, x power 100, maybe higher powers. We need only the odd powers or even powers. In this only we'll count whether the power is smaller or bigger, doesn't matter. The power is even power or odd power. The questions may be on those also. So that can be discussed in the next class.